It's not uncommon for raccoons to wander onto your property in search of food, water, and shelter. Having raccoons can cause damage to your property or even health issues. In this video, we'll go over how to trap raccoons using professional live traps. If you'd like to shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about live trapping, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. It's important to first identify your pest animal. Knowing which animal you're dealing with will help you decide which bait to use and where to place your live traps for a successful capture. Raccoons have a distinctive look and can be easily identified by their gray fur, ringed tail, and facial coloring that gives them their iconic eye mask. Adult raccoons typically stand 12 inches tall and are 24 to 38 inches in length. Their droppings are large, similar to dog droppings. But raccoons are nocturnal, so to help you confirm that you're having a raccoon problem, look for common signs that indicate raccoon activity. First, check any garbage cans you keep outdoors. An obvious indicator is if the can is tipped over. You can also look for trash in the surrounding area. If you know what should be inside the can, it doesn't hurt to check inside and see what's missing. If your property has any fruit or vegetable plots or gardens, check these sites for animal activity, such as chewed or eaten plants, droppings, or tracks. Raccoons can be attracted to these areas, especially with their preference for sweets. Raccoons will also eat pet food if left out overnight, so check for missing food or disturbed bowls. After identifying raccoons, select the best bait to increase your chances of a successful capture. Raccoons will eat anything, but they're especially attracted to sweets. So for this, marshmallows is a low-cost and effective bait option. Before trapping, make sure to put on your personal protective equipment, or PPE, especially gloves, not only to protect yourself when setting the trap or releasing an animal, but it will also prevent you from transferring your scent to the trap or bait, which will dissuade raccoons from approaching. Make sure your live trap is of appropriate size. A trap too small won't catch the raccoon, while a trap too large may offer the animal an opportunity to escape. In order to maximize your chances of catching the raccoon, you need to first remove food sources that may compete with the bait. This includes sealing trash cans, picking up pet food after dark, fencing away fruit and vegetable gardens, and sweeping up any fallen fruits, berries, and seeds. Place your trap far away from human or pet activity along the edge of your property. Physical boundaries like fence lines, dense foliage, and garden edging make great placement guides, so place your trap in these areas. If you've noted any food or water sources the animal has access to, you can place your trap closer to those. It's important to make sure you place your trap in the shade, as a trapped animal can die within a few hours if left exposed to the sun. Once you've placed your trap, weigh it down with a brick or cinder block. Aggressive foragers like raccoons can knock over your trap, rendering it useless. If you're dealing with an animal indoors, you can set your trap near entry points in the garage, attic, or basement. Raccoons and most animals inside a building will likely travel along the walls for their own comfort, so be sure to set your trap parallel to the structure. Once you're satisfied with your trap placement, you can bait and arm it. When baiting your trap, it's important to put the bait at the far end of the trap behind the trigger plate, so that when the animal comes in to feed on the bait, it'll activate the trigger and be trapped. Check your trap twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Constantly being near the trap and checking it often will potentially dissuade raccoons from approaching the trap. Be sure not to keep an animal trapped for more than 24 hours. Once you've captured a raccoon in your trap, place a towel over the cage to avoid frightening the animal. Be sure to contact local authorities like animal control to confirm laws in your area about animal trapping and make sure you are correctly relocating the animal. Travel to your release location, which should be about 20 miles from where you caught the animal. Place the trap on the ground, facing away from you, and open the trap. After you successfully used your live trap, there are a few preventative measures you can take to make sure you don't have another raccoon problem. Maintaining a clean area indoors and outdoors is an important step to take. Keep trash outdoors in sealed containers. Remove any clutter or debris from your property, as this could be used by animals for nests or burrows. Regularly check the property for spots that retain water. Any potential food source, such as pet food, should be properly sealed in a container and stored away. Prevent raccoons from entering your property by sealing any openings you may have found along the perimeter or foundation. Any voids, damaged screens, windows, and doors should be repaired as soon as possible. Raccoons pose a risk to our property and health, but you can humanely control them with professional-grade products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. Live animal traps will help you safely remove raccoons from your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.